Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Astal and today's video is going to be behind the scenes of my YouTube Shorts video. Yes, you've heard me right. I'm going to show you guys what I do exactly behind the scenes, like how I create my YouTube Shorts, what steps I do, how much time I take, and this outfit preparation, what I decide to wear before I go and shoot my video. Okay, so the first thing is my outfit that I'm going to decide what I'm going to wear for my dance video. And it's going to be something different because each day I make around 3 to 4 videos, then I post it, so I don't like to repeat my clothes. But it's kind of a mismatch again, and that's how I learned to make my videos on outfit check. I stopped, I don't know why. If you guys want to watch it and if I should start it again, let me know in the comment section below. Okay then, let's get started with the first thing, the outfit. I'm gonna wear this top, and I guess the last time I wore it was when I danced on the song Coffee or Drinks by Rosé, and I got around 9.k views on it, so we'll think this is a lucky top. So let's get started with this and let me decide the jeans. Okay, so I wore this top. It looks good, approved. Now we come with these parachute pants. It's gonna be black. I have no other choice. I was gonna wear ripped jeans, then I realized I wore that exact outfit what I was talking about, drinks and coffees, so can't repeat it. Okay, so unfortunately I don't have a proper place to keep my camera at the moment because my whole room is a mess with clothes all around, and I don't know where I kept my tripod, so I can't find it, so I can't show you the full outfit. But when I go and start shooting, you'll eventually see it. Okay, so this lipstick, I don't know why it's mandatory, but it is. Although video mein it's barely visible. You can't even see my lips being red, but I love putting this. And it smells good. Well, I'm liking my hair like this, I like my hair. I think it's gonna go like this. If I dance. Looks good. Approval. Okay, so this is my look. Perfect for a dance outfit, perfect for shooting. Let's go and shoot the first video. Hi guys, so I'm going down to the place where I shoot, and the person over here is a size. So technically she comes every time, like behind the scenes, to see the dances. Like she does, like we meet up, so technically that's the time I always get to dance like that. So because now we come here, and since this place, like a lot of people come here, stare, so I can't dance alone, so I always bring her.
You need someone.
Yeah, I need someone, so that's the moment we do it. I have decided all the songs. It's gonna be all English.
All English?
Yeah.
Like Jenny?
Like Jenny, I have done it already.
Oh, that's true. You have that.
Okay, it's dark, so this is how the rough look of the video. This is the place. This, you know, this area, you know, this whole area is where I'm going to dance. So, okay. See, I wanted to do that. Yeah, actually, I never decide on spot, only everything, even the song, the dance. But yeah, I have thought Justin Bieber's
Oh, kaun sa?
let me think. Wait. So I decided one is that Bola Re Bola, and Justin Bieber's.
This. It's written here.
No, I'm not writing it.
You just
Whatever.
write it.
I'm not
Yeah.
going to.
No, better check out her shorts.
Check out my
It will
YouTube
come
shorts. Bye. On this. Hi guys, done with the first dance. Finally.
But this time it was fast.
Yeah, I didn't
Normally
take much
she takes
time.
20, 25 tries and I'm like, bruh, get it done fast.
No, we don't give the secret out.
Oh, okay, no. She one take, one try.
It happens very rarely though.
Very rarely. And today was one of them.
Yeah, these all are like on spot, like you saw this girl recording. That was all on spot happening. But the improved version is on my shorts, so watch it, please.
Exactly. Go watch the shot.
Yep. Pathetic lighting.
but I'm sweating.
Oh wow.
So we are not still done with the dance. I'm still left with another one, although I was supposed to do 3. But then there were too many people walking around here, there, like not letting me dance properly because they're, I mean, you know, coming in front of the camera because the camera is not visible because it's down here. So no one can see, so they come in front of me. Plus the cars.
Oh my god.
Well, that's not their fault though, but like still, hello, can you wait for some time? Someone is recording. And because of that, I paused a few times. But now I'm going to do the last dance. It's on Justin Bieber's song, which I know, I guess it's already uploaded. You can check that out and you must have seen it also. But yeah, it's tiring. It legit takes us 1 hour to complete the whole shit. I mean, the whole dance thing.
Oh shit.
I mean, sorry, I'm too tired. And the fact that, guys, if you're recording, get water.
Get water.
Water.
Most important.
I forgot my water bottle every single time. I think I'll get it. I never got it. But it is what it is. And now, before I end the video, I have a final thing to say. So stay tuned and let's go for the last round. Bye. So guys, I'm done with shooting. I'm done with recording the videos. I did 3 dances as promised. And the last one, since I was very much out of my O2, I just did some random TikTok kind of dance, which I had learned 2-3 years ago during Corona. And it was again Justin Bieber's song. And yeah.
And now
Stop
finally-
disturbing, please.
2,000 years later.
Yeah. So I did that. Now I'm tired and I am sweating.
And yeah, go see all the dances on her YouTube
Exactly.
channel.
Please like, share, subscribe. Sorry, my hand is busy. Oh well, sorry, before I leave, I forgot. So this main reason to show you this was because I saw today. So I saw today that I received like what can I say? I'm kind of speechless that it's for the first time I received more than 30k views on my reel. Yes.
Let's go. Next shot, 50,000 views.
Yeah, because I guess, right,
50,000 plus
50,000 plus views and likes.
and likes.
Let's try for likes. And I remember I had written in one of the YouTube videos that I want like people to, like my subscribers to be more than 200 and touch 250. But through this reel, this YouTube shorts, it touched, guess what? 300 plus. So let's now, the next target, let's hope for, it's still increasing. I'm still getting those views. And I guess the next, we can hit up to 400 maybe, 400 subscribers. Let's keep a target for now, and if it reaches 500, a special celebration video has to be out.
Yeah.
So yep, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe this video, like my other videos, like my reels, my YouTubes on Instagram and YouTube shorts. So everything guys, my social media links are down below in the description. So don't forget to like, share, comment. I'll keep saying like, share, and comment. Okay? So watch my reels. That's mostly I post that only. YouTube shorts, I post both actually. And I guess
true, both.
so. Stay tuned for those. And that's it. I'm done with the videos. I can't speak anymore. I'm tired. Let me go. Okay, bye.
Bye.